And thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, and thank you, Mr. Lukemeyer. I would love to take this time, and I would yield myself such time as I may consume.
The gentlewoman is recognized.
I would love to express my appreciation to my original co-sponsors of this bill, Chair Emeritus House Financial Services Committee, Representative Spencer Bacchus, for his support, and my other co-sponsor and friend on the committee, Representative Hinojosa. I believe that a community-based flood insurance option may eventually provide a cost-saving option for communities within the larger framework of the overall national flood insurance program. The potential for savings and community empowerment certainly merits a study. Now, as Mr. Lukemeyer has indicated, this bipartisan bill has passed in various forms, the latest being in the 112th Congress as H.R. 6186 last September, 364-11. So this is nothing new. And I would submit that we should support it here today. This approach has merit because it potentially has its potential lower rates are due to the streamlined underwriting, increased participation, the critical mass of citizens that are involved, and incentives for the city to mitigate future flood risks. There's also an option of providing lower income households the use of vouchers to purchase flood insurance as part of the group. An analogy for the concept applied is group or employee health insurance coverage versus individual coverage. We all understand that group coverage is less expensive than individual coverage due to many advantages of economies of scale. Now, in this case, a community rather than an individual would be the policyholder. This brings me to another very important potential benefit of this approach. The increased incentives for communities to take preemptive action to mitigate future financial threats from floods in the community. Whereas an individual flood insurance holder has no incentive nor means to build stronger levees or dikes, a community policyholder would have the means and incentives to take those kinds of precautions. In theory, the homeowner would pay insurance like a utility bill on a monthly or quarterly basis, which also makes it easy to administer. This bill only asks FEMA to examine the costs and benefits of using this approach on an ongoing basis as an option for communities. We need to continue to seek creative market-based solutions to problems, and this study is the first good step toward new tools to strengthen the National Flood Insurance Program. Thank you, and seeing no other Democratic members wishing to speak, I urge my colleagues to support H.R. 1035, and I yield back the balance of my time.